Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best travel luggage 2025, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Sleek and durable hardshell luggage. Travel with ease and confidence with our streamlined hardshell luggage, designed for ultimate durability and convenience. Featuring the latest patented technology and a 2-wheel design, this suitcase glides smoothly, quietly, and effortlessly on any surface. Crafted from premium ABS plus PC material, the textured finish resists scratches, while the beveled edge design enhances toughness. Stay secure with the TSA-approved lock, allowing hassle-free inspections without damage. Navigate tight spaces easily with quiet airplane spinner wheels and a 3-level aluminum telescoping handle, sturdier than most on market. Available in 3 sizes, 20-inch, 24, 28, with a 28 expandable option adding 15% more packing space. Backed by a worldwide 2-year warranty, this luggage is your perfect companion for business trips, vacations, and every adventure in between. Number 2. Aluminum frame carry-on luggage. Upgrade your travel experience with our 20-inch carry-on luggage, designed for durability, security, and convenience. Crafted with a premium 70% PC plus 30% ABS blend, this suitcase offers lightweight strength, while the reinforced aluminum frame ensures maximum protection for your belongings. Stay organized on the go with a multi-pocket interior and enjoy hands-free convenience with a built-in hook, perfect for hanging a bag, jacket, or umbrella. Plus, the TSA-approved zipperless lock keeps your items secure while allowing easy inspections without damage. At 15.6 inches by 9.5 inches by 21.9 inches, this 40L capacity carry-on meets airline standards, making it ideal for business trips or weekend getaways. With our 10-year quality assurance, we stand behind your journey every step of the way. Number 3. TACH version 3.1 connectable luggage. Say goodbye to travel stress with the TACH version 3.1 connectable luggage, designed to make managing multiple bags effortless. Whether using a single suitcase or fastening up to 9 bags together, this patented design allows you to glide smoothly through airports, train stations, and city streets. With new double wheels, enjoy seamless maneuverability over various surfaces, while the adjustable pulling strap evenly distributes weight, reducing strain on your journey. Need extra convenience? The flat-top design lets you rest your purse, backpack, or car seat with ease, and built-in charger ports keep your devices powered on the go. No more rented carts or struggling with multiple bags. TACH's built-in connectors eliminate the need for external hooks or attachments. Travel smarter, save money, and move effortlessly with TACH version 3.1. Number 4. Expandable carry-on luggage. Glide through airports effortlessly with this rolling carry-on suitcase, designed for easy maneuverability in crowded spaces. Featuring 360 degrees multi-directional spinner wheels and a locking retractable push/pull handle, navigating terminals has never been smoother. Stay organized with multiple front panel pockets, a removable zippered wet bag, and a large mesh lid pocket for small essentials. This expandable luggage offers ample packing space, while adjustable tie-down straps keep garments neatly in place. Crafted from scuff-resistant polyester fabric, it's both durable and stylish. Convenient reinforced side, top, and bottom handles make lifting a breeze. Measuring 22.75 inches by 14.25 inches by 10.25 inches, this carry-on is designed for stress-free, secure, and organized travel wherever you go. Number 5. 3-piece expandable luggage set. Travel smarter with this 3-piece luggage set, featuring a 20-inch airline-approved carry-on, a 24-check suitcase, and a 28 large luggage for extended trips. Designed for efficiency, the expandable layer on the 24-inch and 28 suitcases maximizes packing capacity. Crafted from ABS plus PC material, this set is lightweight yet impact-resistant, ensuring durability while reducing travel strain. Security meets convenience with a TSA-approved combination lock and YKK zippers, offering smooth, long-lasting performance. The 360-degree silent spinner wheels glide effortlessly on any surface, while the aluminum telescopic rod provides a sturdy, ergonomic grip for seamless navigation. Whether for business or leisure, this luggage set ensures a stress-free, stylish, and secure journey.
I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.